Things which move with a regular to and fro motion are said to vibrate or oscillate. For example, a mass attached to the end of a spring will move up and down when set in oscillation. Another example is the pendulum. All the vibrations die away as they lose their energy of motion due to frictional forces. One cycle is completed when the bob in the pendulum goes from A to B and back to its starting position A again. The periodic time T is the time a vibrating object takes to make one complete cycle. This is a definition that you need to learn for this course. The motion of one such oscillator, the pendulum, is now examined. The pendulum always comes to rest in the same position, which is the central position in the cycle. The distance it travels from this position is called its displacement. In position 1, it has zero displacement. A graph of displacement against time is now drawn as the pendulum goes back and forth. Position 1 is marked on the graph. After 0 seconds, there is zero displacement. As the pendulum moves to the right, its displacement increases. It eventually stops after 0.1 seconds. It is now at its maximum displacement. This is position 2. The maximum displacement is called its amplitude and is denoted by A. You need to learn the definition of amplitude for this course. The pendulum now returns to its starting position, where its displacement is once again 0. The total time of the journey so far is 0.2 seconds. The pendulum now moves in the opposite direction. The curve on the graph goes in the next. In this experiment, you are going to find the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth, which is called little g. Its value is 9.8 meters per second squared. This means that when an object falls through the air, its speed increases by 9.8 meters per second every second. In this experiment, you are going to time how long it takes the ball to fall a certain distance s. When the switch is turned off, the electromagnet loses its magnetism, which causes the ball to fall. The timer starts at this point and stops when the ball hits the impact plate. You can now find a value for G from these results.